Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can record your screen using snipping tool that is provided as part of your Windows 11. Okay, so this is a good that you have an inbuilt tool that you can do. So what you see here is the snipping tool. Okay, so most of us have used previously to take a screenshot like this snip, but now it has this record option too. Okay, so what you can do, it says the logo key press shift R, but we can click on new also. So the very first thing, select the a portion that you want to record. Okay, let's say you want to record the whole screen, so just do it on the whole screen. Okay, next, before you click on start, when you start recording, suppose you want to use the microphone, so click on this. And if you don't want to use your system audio, then just turn this off. If you want to use it, turn it on. Click on start. Say, you see the countdown, and now the recording begins. Okay, you can record what you want. Once you can pause it, okay, you can play it, and once you are done, you can stop recording. So like a snip that you use, you have this option. Okay, you can save it. Okay, before saving, if you want to play, you can play it over here. What you want. Once you can pause it, you can play it, and once you are done, you can. Okay, yeah, did you hear? Okay, so that's how it works, guys, and you can also edit in Clipchamp. So that's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.